We guide you through how to turn off Snapchat friend suggestion notifications on both iPhone and Android. So the first thing you need to do is to open Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left, then tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down to notifications, tap notification settings, and look for options related to friend suggestions, quick add, or suggestions. Then simply toggle them off to stop Snapchat from notifying you about people to add. If you are using an iPhone, you can also go to your phone settings, scroll to Snapchat, tap notifications, and fine tune or disable suggestions related alerts. While on Android, you can open settings, go to apps, select Snapchat, stop notifications, and turn off categories linked to friend suggestions or recommendations. Once done, you won't receive those annoying prompts anymore, keeping your notifications clean and distraction free.